Good morning. We are back with Sugosha Defense Updates. From the studios of Sugosha, here we are to show you as to what are the updates for today, the 11th of February 2021. First, we'll talk about the IDEX, the Innovation for Defense Excellence. In conformance with the government's vision of creating an ecosystem to take the challenges to the industry, the Innovation for Defense Excellence was established by the Honorable Prime Minister in April 2018. With the funding of 1.5 crores to mounting on a tank, a great success story for Townboy imaging, which used a series of special cameras fitted to a 360-degree mount and fitted on top of the turret of a tank, a T-90 tank. With the funding of just 1.5 crores, today we have a real situation awareness for the tank man. This is what the Defense Secretary told the media in the Aero India. So as you can see that IDEX is partnered with leading incubators in the country to provide handholding, technical support, and guidance to the winners of the challenges. We can also see that there are more than about 700 startups that participated in 18 problem statements pertaining to national defense requirements. 3 rounds of Defense India startup challenges were launched. 58 winners were announced. And in areas such as see-through armor, 4G tactical area network, GPS anti-jam device, countermeasure for drones, it's a great success story. Let's move on to our next item, which is Genser Aerospace. I was so very pleasantly surprised to see Mr. Arunakar Mishra, the CEO of Genser Aerospace, who displayed a beautiful indigenous aerodynamic design of the proposed 9-seater business jet at Aero India. Mr. Mishra explained to me the indigenous effort in design and the high degree of indigenous content that he would achieve in the manufacture of this jet. Genser now signs up with the Hindustan Aeronautics in the development of its 2 variants, Rajas Kuleen and Rajas Rakshan. There are these items which are coming by the numbers. Initially, we had 101 items, and now we have, and then we had 108 items, and now we have 156. So what are these numbers? The government started by banning 101 items from import, thereby providing a huge opportunity to the domestic industry. DRDO followed suit by announcing 108 items for the industry where DRDO will not participate anymore. And therefore, it was open only to the Indian industry. And DRDO said that they will do the handholding wherever it was necessary. And now the government has announced, during the Aero India, the Raksha Mantri was kind enough to announce 156 items that have been cleared for exports. These include Akash, BrahMos, LCA, LCH, various boats, and so many others. Just to give you an idea as to what type of platforms and systems that were there in the 101 items, we had the 120 fin stabilized armor, 7.62 by 51 rifle, track self SP guns, 155-52, and for the 108 items, mini micro UAVs, ROVs, uncooled night vision, IR sights, and so many others. Let's move on to the next one. Bharat Electronics signs up with Beretta for producing CQB carbines. Beretta ARX 160 enjoys a reputation globally. One was a little surprised that Bharat Electronics would venture into CQB carbines. Well, that's good for the country in any way. And the last item that we have today is Ukroboron Prom makes a pitch for AN-178. In addition to loitering drones and UAVs to the Indian Air Force, besides seeking greater collaboration. Here we are showing you a picture of the AN-178. It's got a range of 4,000 kilometers. It's got a cruising speed of 800 kilometers per hour. The manufacturer's antenna, they have built just one as of now, and they are offering that. And it was developed from the design of AN-158, and the first flight was in 7 May 2015. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. And tomorrow we'll come with more updates as we see this. Thank you.